Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office will give an update in about 2 hours from now on the Menendez brothers' efforts to get released from prison. DA Nathan Hochman has previously said he opposes a new trial. KTLA's Eric Spillman live now in downtown LA with more. Eric, good morning.
Morning, Jessica. There's a section of California law that allows a court to re-sentence a defendant if the original sentence was considered to be too harsh or if the defendant has been rehabilitated in prison. Well, the Menendez brothers have a re-sentencing hearing scheduled in front of a judge for later this month. And the district attorney, the LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman, has said he's not opposed to that. He may have more to say about that later today. The brothers have been behind bars for approximately 35 years or serving life without parole for killing their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez, in 1989. Over the past couple of years, their story has received a lot of attention with a Netflix true crime drama and a documentary. Lawyers for the brothers produced what they say is new evidence, a copy of a letter allegedly written by Eric Menendez to his cousin 8 months before the murders, saying that the brothers were sexually abused by their father. The DA Hochman said late last month he doesn't think there should be a new trial, and he's not sure if that letter would even be admissible or if it's credible.
Sexual abuse is abhorrent, and we will prosecute sexual abuse in any form it comes. But sexual abuse in this situation, while it may have been a motivation for Eric and Lyle to do what they did, does not constitute self-defense.
Now, the campaign to get the Menendez brothers released from prison got a boost last month from Governor Newsom. Family members petitioned him to commute the brothers' sentences or make them eligible for parole or let them go based on the time that they've already served. And the governor responded by ordering the state parole board to conduct a risk assessment or study. And results of that study are due in a few months.
The question for the board is a rather simple one. Do Eric and Lyle Menendez, do they pose a current, what we call unreasonable risk to public safety?
Now, family members say they are grateful for that. They say the two brothers have been model inmates and that they would pose no risk if they were to go free.
Eric and Lyle have expressed immense remorse for their actions that night and in the months after, repeatedly. Decade after decade. I can personally attest to that.
Again, there is a resentencing hearing for the Menendez brothers that is still on the calendar for March 20th and March 21st. It is one of the paths that the lawyers for the brothers are using to try and get them released from prison. The district attorney, Nathan Hochman, has said he's not opposed to that hearing, but he may have something different or more to say about it at his news conference later this morning. That begins at 10 o'clock, and we'll bring it to you live when it happens.